Let me show you how you can achieve a dramatic makeover for Christmas in your own home. It's a lovely time of year, Christmas. And the heart of any home at Christmas is the tree. The one thing we think about when we put up a tree is there's loads of space for decorations. But you think about it, you don't put a Christmas tree in the middle of the room so you can see all the way around the outside. No, we only get that in shopping centres. Realistically, in your own home, it's hard up against a wall or a corner. You think about it. That is a good section of the tree, if you've got it against the wall, 25% of the tree, which you can't really decorate. And if it's in the corner, you lose half of the tree to the wall. And you know, you've got some decorations, some nice decorations, you have to hang on the back to try and balance it. Wouldn't it be great if you could decorate the whole tree and see every part of it, even if it was against a wall? Now, my secret is this rotating tree stand. It's amazing. It'll turn a static tree like this to this. A slow, steady momentum of the tree as it rotates 360 degrees. So as you can see, the socket is actually rotating around with the tree. So if I plug in these tree brights here, I'm just going to nestle it in the side there just to illustrate what I'm talking about. And as you can see, the whole thing moves round together, both the plug for the lights and the socket as well, making sure nothing tangles up. Obviously, don't put one big clump of lights, decorate them through, but I think this illustrates just how clever this piece of kit is. Let's take a look at the detail here, because artificial trees have come a long way with the advances of technology. Now, this is a hugely popular tree. This is a New Jersey spruce, and as you can see, it's got a lovely dusting of snow just on the tips of its branches. It's also got holly berries, plus some pine cones, again dusted with snow. It's like someone's gone out to do a bit of natural foraging for decorations. In fact, it looks pretty good now before it's even decorated. That's one of the reasons why it's so popular. But looking at the detail of the tips of the branches, it's like an eclectical assimilation from all the lovely trees that you'll see on a winter's woodland walk. These ones here look like Norway spruce. This little tufty, bristly one is like a Scots pine, and this one here, well, that looks a little bit like a Nordman, all collected together to give the tree its own personality. And the thing with artificial trees, there are so many different versions. Width, height, size, colour, shape, texture, all there for you to choose the right tree that fits right for your family. There we are. The last of the decorations. It's great fun to decorate a tree, and of course you enjoy it throughout the Christmas holidays. But I have added a different dimension to this tree. It's another sense, the sense of smell. As you can see here, this is a sensicle that gives off an aroma, a lovely Christmas aroma, and there are many different fragrances that you can buy. Now, I've put this one on the outside really to show you what they are. It's usually better to bury them inside the heart of the tree because the fragrance still comes out. This one here is called White Winter Fir. You get a lovely pine type fragrance from it. Well, there we are. All it leaves me to do, lights please. And it rotates as well. Every single decoration can be seen. Well, there you have it, the Christmas tree. It's only just the start of decorations. It's about spreading it throughout the house. Garlands over the picture or on the mantelpiece. Even tables that can have little Christmas trees on as well. And a few other homely embellishments like candles or even Santa here goes a long way to create the ultimate Christmas ambience for your own home, for you and your family. Christmas with Premier couldn't be easier. If you enjoyed this video, there's more in this series. Just follow the link in the description below. And please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends. And if you subscribe to my channel, I'll let you know when there's more great content coming like this. Merry Christmas.